Hello friends, now we start the third chapter of 12th Mathematics paper 1, that is trigonometric function. Now we know the trigonometric function. There are 6 trigonometric functions which are sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cosec x and cot x. These are 6 trigonometric functions. Then if you write this trigonometric function as sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So this sin x is equal to 1 by 2 is called trigonometric equation. So in trigonometric function we see the next concept, trigonometric equation. Now what is trigonometric equation? The equation involving trigonometric function is called trigonometric equation. So trigonometric equation is what? An equation involving trigonometric functions is called trigonometric equation. So we know the trigonometric equation. An equation involving trigonometric function is called trigonometric equation. So next concept, solution of trigonometric equation. Now if you take the trigonometric equation x is equal to half, but we know sin 30, that is sin pi by 6 is equal to half. So from these two equations, x is equal to what? Sin x is equal to half, sin pi by 6 is equal to half. So from this equation x is equal to pi by 6. So this is the solution of trigonometric equation. So what is my trigonometric equation? So trigonometric equation is the value of variable in trigonometric equation which satisfy the trigonometric equation. So this is the value of variable x in this trigonometric equation is the solution of trigonometric function, is the solution of trigonometric equation. Now if this value, if x is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 2 pi, यदि x की वैल्यू ये 0 से ग्रेटर है, इक्वल है या लेस देन इक्वल टू 2 पाई है, then this is called principal solution of trigonometric equation. Then this is called principal solution of trigonometric equation. So what we see? The first concept we see trigonometric function. Now what is trigonometric function? trigonometric function कौन कौन से है? sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cosec x, cot x are the trigonometric functions. Then equation involving trigonometric function is called the trigonometric equation. So sin x is equal to 1 by 2 is become the trigonometric equation. Now solution of this trigonometric equation, तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल यूज किया गया है x. So value of x in trigonometric equation is the solution of trigonometric equation, and if this x is lies between 0 and 2 pi, then that solution is the principal solution of trigonometric equation.